Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Creative Space. Before starting with this vlog, आप सब मेरे बाकी के sketch videos please देखिए. There are artists and celebrities जिन्होंने मेरा sketch already देखा है and who have commented on Instagram and replied to me personally. जैसे महेश काळे है, स्पृहा जोशी, विपुल गोयल, मुक्ता बर्वे. All these people have seen my sketches and it is surreal. मतलब मेरे पास ऐसे शब्द नहीं है happiness ये करने के लिए. But I hope आप सबको भी वो sketches अच्छे लगे. So now for this vlog I will be, this is a very special vlog क्योंकि इस vlog में मैं first time I am going to sketch my subscriber जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा lovely, lively and colorful lady she is. She has been an honorable joint cultural secretary for Indian Social Club. She was an event manager in one of the very reputed firms in Muscat. एंड मुझे उन्होंने सबसे पहले मुझे अलाउ किया ये स्केच बनाने के लिए एंड शी वॉज वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड एंथुजियास्टिक लाइक मी द सेम टाइम. शी इज मे बी मोर देन क्रिएटिव पर्सन दैट वॉट आई एम नाउ एंड इट इज़ माई प्लेजर टू बी स्केचिंग हर. आई होप आप सबको ये व्लॉग अच्छा लगे. इसमें एक फन सेगमेंट भी हम ऐड करने वाले हैं, सो प्लीज वॉच द व्लॉग टिल द एंड. And without any further ado, let me just call on Mrs. Binayfar Basu, who is also very fondly called as Bini Di, Bini Ji, Bini. So let me call her. Hi Bini Ji, and thank you for agreeing to do this vlog for me. It is a pleasure and I am absolutely thrilled. And please introduce yourself. आपको आपके बारे में आप viewers को हमारे क्या बताना चाहते हैं?
Hi Neha.
Hi.
Hello everyone. I am Binayfar Basu, fondly known as Bini Basu. Half our life has gone in Muscat. 25 years we were in Muscat. Since last 1.5 years, we are retired and back in India. We love India and we still don't get bored, me and my husband. We don't get bored. And I spend my time doing some of the other hobbies. Like I do paintings, I do quilling, I do this ornament making like terracotta jewelry, soap making, etc. etc. I don't get bored, so my age is just a number. I like to live life king size.
Very nice, Bini Ji. And what were you doing in Muscat? Like, what exactly was your role over there? Because you are a very colorful lady. Doing all this at the age of 58 is like a very big thing. Really it is just a number. So what would you like to say? What was the role over there?
I was an events manager in Axis Events Company. I loved my job there. We used to have good fun there. I was also honorary joint cultural secretary in Indian Social Club. Under Indian Social Club there were 18 wings and we used to have a lot of cultural shows there, and I used to actively take part in organizing and helping the Indian Social Club in that.
Wow, that's really awesome to know and I am already inspired. Like मैं अभी sketches करती हूँ, kids tutorial, but looking at you and looking at your work, जो मैंने आपका paintings and newspaper articles देखे हैं, आपकी इतने newspaper articles में competitions जो आपने जीते हैं and so many of your work has been portrayed in the newspaper of Muscat, जो बहुत ही बड़ी बात है. तो मैं इंस्पायर अभी हो रही हूँ वो सब देख के. व्यूअर्स, आई विल बी पुटिंग न्यूज़पेपर आर्ट क्लिपिंग्स एंड कटिंग्स जो बिनी जी ने अभी तक संभाल के रखे हैं उनके वर्क में इन दिस व्लॉग. सो प्लीज वॉच द व्लॉग टिल द एंड. ओके, एंड नाउ हम एक बहुत फन सेगमेंट करने वाले हैं विच इज अ क्वेश्चन आंसर्स राउंड. एंड सो यहाँ पे ये जो क्वेश्चंस है एनीबडी कैन प्ले. अगर आपकी हाउस पार्टी हो, आपके फ्रेंड्स हो, यू कैन आस्क दिस क्वेश्चंस एंड देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स जो फन है आपके बारे में जो अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शायद पता ना हो. सो आई हैव सिलेक्टेड सर्टेन क्वेश्चंस एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट इट. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, so which celebrity will you rate as perfect 10?
From the age of 18,
okay,
I'm a big fan of Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh wow!
So I'll definitely rate Mr. Amitabh Bachchan as number 10.
Wow, that's so nice. And the second question would be, what is your biggest screw up in the kitchen?
Yes, once I had put milk for boiling, and unknowingly I just went out for a while, 5-10 minutes, and when I returned back to the kitchen, I found the milk was fully burnt and the vessel was fully black, and from that day onwards I got a phobia with milk. So now I've started buying Tetra milk, and I've stopped buying milk in the house. I use Tetra milk, which I don't have to boil it
at all. Oh, really?
You may find it funny, but it's the truth.
Oh, okay. So viewers, Tetra milk is recommended. Okay. The third question I would like to ask you is, what are the interesting things that you love doing?
Interesting. I have a lot of things I like to do. Like I do painting. Yes. I do organic soap making with aloe vera, papaya, strawberry.
At home, from the scratch?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Glycerin with vitamin E and all that. I make terracotta jewelry, which I am wearing now.
You are done completely.
Yes, this is made
from the scratch. She has done it, guys.
Yes. Then I do quilling work, and for that big article, one full page article had come in Times of Oman in the family edition.
Oh, wow.
In Muscat.
Okay.
Which I have a cutting as well.
Yeah, we will share it.
Yes.
We will share it in the vlog.
And I have taken part in Antakshari competitions. I have won prize in cookery contest where I made chocolate mousse in Muscat.
Wow!
So I was very actively involved. I have also won prize in beauty contest in 2016.
Oh, wow.
In the club level.
You are a beautiful lady. You must have won. I am so sure, with a beautiful smile. So yeah, it's very interesting to know.
And the beautiful smile, it reminds me, I have also won a contest with Mom Beautiful Smile in
wow,
Muscat.
Imagine that, guys. Oh, that's really nice to know about you. So okay, we will add all that in our blog. Okay. Next question is very interesting question. आपका स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट क्या है? मतलब ऐसी है कौन सी चीज है जिसके बगैर आप घर से बिल्कुल बाहर नहीं निकलती?
It sounds very funny, but yes, I have a habit from long time that I don't go out of the house without lipstick and perfume. Achha. So these are the two things. Yeah, it's funny, but yes,
no,
I'm used to that.
It's not funny, but why not? I mean, yeah, and you have a beautiful smile, so why not flaunt it with a lipstick? That's really nice. Nice to know. Okay. Next is the one place that you would suggest everyone to visit. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है शायद लोगों को नहीं पता हो या पता भी हो, बट आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है?
As I earlier said, we were in Muscat for 25 years, and also I was an events manager there. So I used to take tourists on Dhau cruise trips. Okay. And I used to take them to Kantab beach, which is a beautiful place, and Muscat has a beautiful, lots of beautiful places, and the scenic beauty is awesome.
Oh wow.
So I am a fan of Muscat, and I would recommend everybody to at least once visit Muscat also.
Okay. And this is a painting?
Yes, I have made a painting, Kantab beach. This is the painting. This is the place I have been talking about. This is painted by me only.
This is your work and it is amazing. Guys, even this fort Binny Ji has done. This beach Binny Ji has done. All these paintings Binny Ji has done.
Yes,
so yeah, it's amazing.
Everything.
Yeah, everything. That's really nice to know.
Thank you.
And which is one celebrity that you would want me to sketch? कभी आगे जाके?
If you had asked me before earlier, I would have definitely said Amitabh Bachchan. But I have seen your blog and sketch about Amitabh Bachchan, and I love that,
Thank you.
Guys, everybody, please, friends, you all see her blog about Amitabh Bachchan and the sketch she has done. But now that you have already done Amitabh Bachchan, I would like that you make Rekha Ji. And why Rekha Ji? Because I like the way she's maintained herself, and also she's evergreen. And I am also 58, and I also want to be like her at her age. So I wish I can do the same thing like her.
Oh my God.
She's an inspiration for me as well.
I know, she's a living legend, and sketching her will be an honor to me. I don't know मैं कितना justice करूँगी, but I'll definitely try to do her sketch. So thank you for suggesting that. Okay, the one quote or a song that defines you or the way you live your life. ऐसा कोई quote है जो like the way you live your life, ऐसा song है?
Like I'm a very lively person, and live life as it comes to you. I believe in that.
Okay.
Enjoy the life to the fullest.
Right.
कल हो ना हो, जिंदगी मिलेगी ना दोबारा.
Correct.
So enjoy, keep smiling, be happy, and हंसते रहो, हंसाते रहो.
ये आपका कोट है.
Yes.
And you are always smiling. ये बहुत ही helpful lady है, बहुत ही हंसती है, and she is there everywhere to help others. 2-3 बजे रात को भी. So yes, this suits you. This suits you. Okay. अभी एक interesting question है. What is the most brave decision that you have taken in your life?
Okay. When I was 21, I had gone to Jamshedpur for my cousin's wedding.
Okay.
And I met my partner Darayas there. And I am fully Parsi, and he is not half Parsi, half Bengali.
Okay.
So my parents, Parsis, are very rigid. They want that, you know, we should marry Parsi only. Yes. So my father was against that. But then we both decided bravely, like, you know, कि शादी करेंगे तो इन्हीं से करेंगे, like वो करेंगे तो मुझसे ही करेंगे. And he told me that wherever you are in the world, Bini, I am only going to marry you.
Oh, so sweet, guys.
So afterward, then my father also agreed to that, and we got married. Now we are married happily 35 years, and I have a son called Zahan Basu, who is now studying his masters in UK.
Wow, that's so nice to know. And इतने साल पहले ये decision लेना सच में it was a brave decision. Really, hats off to you both. Okay, and any last thing that you want to add to this segment for your friends or family?
I'm a very lively person, as you all must have seen by now from my interview. So I have lot of fans and friends, and in this after coming to India also, in this short time of 1.5 years, I have made lot of friends here. And for my all Lagos, Muscat, Pune, all over friends everywhere in India, I would like to dedicate one song to my friends. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे, तोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.
Wow, that was a really fun segment. Thank you so much for doing this with us.
For that.
Yeah, guys, we will continue with the sketch vlog now. Please watch the entire vlog till the end, and please subscribe to my channel.
Yes, please everybody, all my friends, please subscribe to her channel. She is awesome, and you will really like all her sketches she has made so far.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
होप आपको ये व्लॉग बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा हो। मेरे लिए ये फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड टू स्केच माई सब्सक्राइबर, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कलरफुल लेडी है। एंड I think I have done justice to her sketch. प्लीज आप मेरे बाकी के व्लॉग्स भी चेकआउट कर लीजिए एंड प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल। बाय, टेक केयर एंड स्टे सेफ।